So 5.4, Unreal Engine 5.4 is out, and there's a problem that's persisting for the last few versions of Unreal Engine that I'll show you right now. So if I launch the most recent version, 5.41, if I open the level blueprint and let's just do the begin play, we'll add or create a local player. Alright, so I've got my Xbox controller hooked up, I've got my mouse and keyboard hooked up. If I press play, the top screen, that's the mouse, everything works. The bottom screen does not work, and instead the Xbox controller input goes to the first player. So it's not hopping automatically over. That's no problem. In past versions of Unreal Engine, to fix that, you'd go to Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and of course, Skip Assigning Gamepad to Player 1. If I check that now, what should happen is the top screen should be controlled with the mouse and keyboard, and the bottom screen should be controlled with the gamepad. That's how it used to work. So I press play, the top screen is the mouse and keyboard, the bottom screen I am moving my Xbox controller, but nothing is happening. So that's the problem with 5.41. When you try to do a local multiplayer game like this, the skip assigning gamepad option doesn't work. So if I close that, go back into Epic, I can show you that it also doesn't work on 5.3, but let me just show you what it's supposed to do first in 5.03. Let's go ahead and add the same bit of code, open the level blueprint. I'm going to create a local player. Okay, if I press play, top screen will get the mouse input, bottom screen will not get the gamepad, and that's because we need to change it again. Skip assigning gamepad. Now when I play it, the top screen gets the mouse and keyboard, the bottom screen gets the gamepad. So that's how it's supposed to work, and that's currently the only workaround I've found for 5.4 and 5.3. So if you want to see 5.3 as well, it's going to happen exactly the same as 5.4. So this is version 5.32. Open level blueprint, begin play, create local player. And then right off the bat, let's just go ahead and change the project settings since we know already. Now if I play, top screen will get mouse and keyboard, bottom screen will get nothing when I use the Xbox controller. So 5.3 and 5.4, this is currently broken. 5.03, this is not. So if anyone has a workaround on how to get this working in 5.4, please let me know. Otherwise, the only workaround I've found is, well, using blueprints only. I haven't explored C++, but is to use 5.03 for the time being. All right, thanks.